Hello everyone, my name is Sanjana. Today we will going to discuss the topic major landforms of the earth. This is the chapter from class 6 NCERT textbooks. So let's begin with the topic. What is landforms? As we all know that the surface of the earth is not flat or uniform throughout the region or everywhere. Some places are high, low, and having sandy or rockies. So these are the natural features that is find it in the surface of the earth is called the landforms. So these landforms were created over millions of years by natural forces such as like weathering, erosion, deposition, movement of the tectonic plates. So let's talk about one by one each landforms of the earth. Like there are the major landforms of the earth like valley, mountain, hills, desert, plain, plateau, and islands. So we will going to discuss one by one each of the landforms. First of all, we have mountains. So mountains are the highest landforms of the world. It rises steeply and having the highest peak at the top. So mountains are formed due to movement of the tectonic plates when and when the plates collide with each other, and these landforms were uplifted from the surrounding areas. So one of the best example we can say that the Himalaya mountain is the highest mountain in the world. So mountains are the very important landforms. They are home for many plants, animals, and most of the important like many rivers originated from the mountains only. And one of the best that the mountains attract tourism and also attract for adventurer lovers. There are different types of land mountains like fold mountains, volcanic mountains, block mountains. Like fold mountains are formed when tectonic plates collide with each other and push the layers of rock upward. And next we have the volcanic mountains. These mountains are created by the volcanic activities. And the block mountains are formed when the large areas of land are uplifted or tilted due to faultings. So mountains play a very major role in our life. They influence climate and they are also influence on wildlife, vegetation, on our daily life. Next, we have hills. So, hills are the raised area of land that are lower than mountains. They don't have any peak or the highest peak at the tops. So, these hills are created mainly by erosions of the minor tectonic activities. So, one of the best we can say that hills are suitable for like farming crops like such as tea, fruits, and others crops also. Next we have plateaus. So plateaus are the elevated flat that are gently raised upward from the surrounding lands. So these are also called tables land because the uppermost of the part of the plateau are having the like tables flat areas. So that is why these are called tables land. So plateaus are formed due to volcanic activities or movement of the tectonic plates also. And one of the best example we can say that the Deccan Plateau found in India. Plateaux are rich in minerals and many mining activities are done in the plateaus areas. Next, we have plains. So, plains are the large, broad, flat lands. They are having very little elevations. This is the land where we live, build crops, build houses, and doing our daily life activities. So, these are the plains are created by the usually like depositions of soil by rivers that is created by the rivers. The types of plains we can say that like coastal plains and the interior plains. Coastal plains are found along the coastal lines, and the interior plains are located away from the sea. So one of the best example we can say that the Great Plain in Northern America found is the example of the plains. Next, we have deserts. So, as we all know, that deserts are the dry regions that receive very little rainfall and having rocky and sandy regions. And these are the like deserts having the hot and we can say the cold climates also. Like Ladakh is the we also say that Ladakh is the uh, cold desert, and the one of the best example of the hot desert in the world having the Sahara in Africa. So despite having the harsh climate in the desert area, people adopted their conditions, and many people live there, plants and human communities live there. Next, we have the major landforms is the valleys. So valleys are the low areas of the land between the mountain and the hills. These are created by the rivers. So we having the rivers valley and the uh, glacier valleys. So mainly the V-shaped valleys are the created by the rivers, and U-shaped valleys are created by the glaciers. So valleys are important for farming, settlement and transport routes. Valleys areas are like good for agriculture, and these are the fertile lands. That is why many in the ancient times, that is why many civilization developed in the valleys areas. One of the best example we can say that the Indus Valley civilization that is developed around the or in the nearby like Indus River. So these are the landforms, major landforms of the earth that are created or influence our daily life, climate, vegetations and human activities. These landforms makes our earth unique and beautiful on the earth's surface. So thank you.